To summarize the book Acres of Diamonds. Acres of Diamonds is a self-help book written by Russell Conwell in the late 19th century. The book is based on Conwell's famous lecture in which he shares the story of a farmer who searched the world over for diamonds, only to discover that the land he had been farming all along was rich with the precious gems. The book's main message is that success and wealth can be found in one's own backyard, and that people should focus on what they have rather than searching for something better. Conwell emphasizes the importance of hard work, perseverance, and self-reliance in achieving success, and he stresses that people should not be discouraged by setbacks and failures, but should instead learn from their experiences and continue to strive towards their goals. Overall, Acres of Diamond is a classic work of self-help literature that continues to inspire and motivate people to this day. Its timeless message of finding success through hard work and determination has made it a popular and enduring book. So, go get that book and read the whole of the book.